Welcome to the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion at SEMA, where we have the leading innovators of Taiwan showcasing their aftermarket products. From smart power systems to precision automation, Taiwan's award-winning technologies are driving a new era of safety, efficiency, and design. Follow us as we explore three of this year's standout highlights. First, Synpro Electronics, delivering high-efficiency DC-DC converters, motor controllers, and EV chargers that ensure reliable power conversion for next-generation electric and commercial vehicles.
Can you tell me what sets Synpro apart from its competitors?
So actually our all products integrate firmware, software, and hardware. So we have a complete R&D team, so we can build all the kind of the products just right for the customers.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for talking with me today.
Next, Zelio Electronics. Known for its battery-powered illumination series, from car carpet logos to door sills, offering stylish, energy-efficient lighting solutions that combine performance with personality.
So can you tell me a little bit about what sets these products apart from your competitors?
Okay. Our product is very special. We use battery power. For the, it's the main difference with the other competitor because we don't need any wire. So just you can see no wire, just lighting. So this one, it means, it's very easy for installation, even for end user or even for the car maker. We don't have any recall issue. So this is perfect for that, all the people doing this kind of product. The people we concerned about the battery life. So for our product, battery life can last to 3, 5, even 10 years. So that means, we don't have any issue for installation. So our competitor, maybe they need a wire. So they need a wire, installation. So sometimes maybe some problem, customer need to recall. But our one is the totally, trouble-free. So we just benefit without trouble. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Paul.
And finally, Syntech Technology, presenting its lean tech industrial robot designed with modular motion control and cloud connectivity to elevate precision and productivity in automotive manufacturing.
Can you tell me what sets you apart from your competitors?
Okay. So we are specialized in smart factory automation, and then these robotic arms represents our mission to make automation simpler, safer, and then smarter. Our system is really easy to program, and then also it's cost effective. It's also compatible with like a Modbus and an EtherCAT. So that means it works with the other automation system, and then also our system built with the vision application, and also we have a laser application you can use. We have partners in the US and Taiwan, can work with. Yeah, so we also, our strength is we specialize to provide to our automotive parts, and then metalworking, and also general manufacturers.
Well, thank you so much for talking with me today. It's been great here at the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion.